Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a legal topic that might surprise many: nudity laws in Singapore. Most people assume that what they do within the privacy of their own homes is entirely their business. But under Singapore law, even being nude in your own home can be an offense in certain circumstances. In this video, we will discuss the relevant laws on nudity, how they apply even within private spaces, and the penalties for violating these laws, and a broader commentary on whether such strict regulations are necessary in today's society. Singapore has long been known for its strict laws on public order and decency, and nudity laws are no exception. The primary law governing this issue is Section 27A of the Miscellaneous Offences, Public Order and Nuisance Act. This provision makes it an offence to be naked in a private place if that nudity is exposed to public view. This means that while being naked within the four walls of your home is not illegal per se, it becomes an offense if someone outside, such as a neighbor, a passerby, or someone in an adjacent building, can see you. In other words, if you walk around naked in your living room with the curtains open, you could technically be committing an offense. The rationale behind this law is to uphold public decency and to prevent distress or discomfort to members of the public who may unwillingly be exposed to nudity. Singapore's urban landscape, where most people live in high-rise apartments in close proximity to one another, makes it particularly easy for others to see into other people's homes. This is why the law extends beyond public places and into private residences, where visibility to the outside world is possible. Law enforcement officers take action when complaints are made. And while discretion is sometimes exercised, individuals who are reported for being visibly naked in their own homes can still face legal consequences. The penalties for violating Section 27A are significant. If convicted, an individual may face a fine of up to 2,000 Singapore dollars and imprisonment for up to 3 months or both. In cases of repeated offences, the penalties may be more severe. While some may argue that the law is only enforced in cases where nudity is intentional or reckless, the reality is that even unintentional exposure, such as stepping out of the shower without realizing that the curtains are open, could technically fall within the scope of the law. This strict stance on nudity raises interesting discussions about the balance between personal privacy and public order. On one hand, the law reflects Singapore's conservative values and its emphasis on maintaining social harmony by preventing potential offense or discomfort. In a country where public behavior is closely regulated, laws like these are consistent with the broader approach to governance. On the other hand, some may argue that the law is outdated and overly intrusive, especially when applied to individuals who are within their own homes. While the intent behind the law is understandable, there are valid concerns about whether it infringes too much on personal freedoms, particularly when no harm is intended. Ultimately, Singapore's laws on nudity serve as a reminder that privacy is not absolute and that legal boundaries extend beyond what many might expect. Whether this approach is justified or in need of reform is a matter of debate, but for now, residents should be aware of these regulations to avoid inadvertently running afoul of the law. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think these laws are necessary or do they go too far? If you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications for more legal insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.